Hi guys, nice to be back with another video again, and I hope that you are totally perfect. I know that many of you want to work as an affiliate marketer, but you are totally so confused about which company is good to work with or which ones in general that can accept you to promote their offers. That is why in this video I will make things much more clearer, as I am going to show you the best affiliate programs that you can sign up with easily and get approved at the same day. As you know that there are some affiliate companies that make things much more complicated, of course, asking for your website to check your experience as an affiliate marketer and the way you promote offers, etc. So today I am here to make things much more easier for you guys, and of course you can work comfortably with the affiliate programs that I am going to mention in the video. So before we skip to the main point, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here and hit the button to be informed whenever I uploaded a new video. So the first affiliate program, guys, is CPElite. CPElite generally is a private lead generation network specializing in CPE offers, PPC advertising, and of course what makes this platform unique is this: you can promote CPI mobile app installs, which means that you don't need any much experience to start working and generate some money. Of course, membership with CPElite is always free, and you will have the access to their large inventory of ready to promote niche affiliate products. In another way, once you sign up here, guys, okay, once you just sign up, you will be approved immediately and start working. If someone of you, of course, is very interested in this platform, I have uploaded some videos before in my channel about, of course, this platform, and certainly I am sure they will be very helpful. That is it, guys, for this platform. So the second platform is CPEGrip. So CPEGrip, guys, is a CPE network that provides some of the best CPE and PPD, which is pay per download offers in current market. CPEGrip offers 5 different monetization tools that you can leverage on. These tools are virtual currency, offer walls, video lockers, content lockers, and URL and download lockers. Generally speaking, CPEGrip is a content locking platform. Let's say, for example, if you have made a presentation on how to lose weight, CPEGrip provides tools that will allow you to lock the download. So when some downloads to the presentation, they must complete an offer. Upon completion, of course, of this offer, they get their download and you can get paid. What is important is this: you can get access to this platform freely, of course, just only by submitting your email here, and that is it, guys. So for the third, of course, affiliate program is Movidia. I hope that you have heard about it before. So Movidia is an amazing, of course, programmatic network for affiliate marketers. It really sounds good news for that affiliates can learn how to make more money in affiliate marketing, and the main thing is that the Movidia Academy covers tips, tutorials, affiliate news, and events. It is good for affiliates to take advantages of the academy to enhance online marketing skills. Movidia, of course, is a worldwide mobile affiliate network whose main business focus on cost per action advertising online. So giving affiliate marketers another avenue to use and tap into the over 1 billion users worldwide who currently use smartphones to access the internet. It offers, of course, powerful tracking and analytics capabilities that help everyone deep dive and easily optimize his or her media buying campaigns. It is easy really to get signed up and approved by them. Instant access for me to say. Okay, so the first, of course, affiliate program is NotreProfit. NotreProfit is one of the fastest growing affiliate networks in Europe that is solely focused on health and beauty niches. Since launching in 2013, they have expanded into more than 100 countries with many exclusive European offers. They work with some of the most sought after brands in the health industry. They are one of the only companies I have ever seen, of course, offering lifetime cookies. One thing I noticed is that they focus on quality over quantity. With their offers, they only have about 40 offers on their site. Yes, guys, it's true. However, there are very high quality offers providing better customer satisfaction. NotreProfit is a good option for those in the e-commerce industry. They are a good option for high commission from 20 to 40% with additional 10 to 20% follow-up for all returning customers. So of course, types of offers you can expect from NotreProfit are about acne, of course, anti-aging, bodybuilding, breast enhancement, hair loss, joint health, sleep, surgery, and weight loss. That is it, guys, for this CPElite affiliate program, and I find this one is very perfect, guys, and worth really visiting and worth working. Okay, so the fifth affiliate program, guys, is very known, and I am sure you know this one, of course. So the fifth one is about Amazon Associates. Amazon has a specific, of course, program called the Amazon Affiliate Program. It is an affiliate marketing program that is open to the public. Most people, of course, that use it on website or are popular bloggers that have a large audience. Affiliates, in a way, are middle person between customers and Amazon. The affiliate will advertise a specific product on their website or social media platform by using special links. When someone from their audience uses that link to buy the product, the affiliate makes what Amazon calls referral fees. Referral fees range depending on what products you are listing. Things like musical instruments and beauty supplies have a 6% referral fee, while things like DVDs only have a 2% referral fee. There are also different fees for special events and products that may be advertised. When you have an affiliate account, you have to make at least one sale within the first 180 days, or your account will be automatically closed. You can reapply, of course, you may be required to make some changes before getting approved. Okay, it is free to get to their access. You just need to submit your form with your personal information. It really worth trying. So once you are here, guys, you just need, of course, to go to the sign in to the sign up, of course, section, and then you can of course, write down your email, some information. Of course, they will ask you about some information to write, and that is it, guys. And hope you good luck with this one as well, because it's very extraordinary to work with Amazon, because it's very trustful, as you know. So the sixth, of course, affiliate program is Warrior Plus. I don't know that if you have heard before about this platform or not yet, but Warrior Plus is an affiliate network that helps, of course, publishers and advertisers in collaboration by offering tracking software and by providing support to improve joint ventures. Warrior Plus is a marketer's platform for online marketers, of course. You can find almost all the resources and information that will help improve your business. Warrior Plus is an online community for affiliate marketers. It brings, of course, developers, vendors of digital products. With, of course, Warrior Plus, people sell digital products such as, of course, ebooks, online courses, access to paid membership sites and software. Of course, you can get access to this platform freely from now by submitting your email. This one, guys, of course, it's very easy. You just need to sign up with your email, and of course you get approved immediately, and then you start, of course, promoting whatever offer you want. Okay, so let's jump directly, guys, to the 6th affiliate program, which is very known, guys. This affiliate program is Fiverr. So of course, as you know, Fiverr, of course, by signing up for the Fiverr affiliate program, you get to promote the world's biggest marketplace for online services, from logo design and writing to programming, WordPress gigs and business services. The options, of course, are endless. And after promoting these services, affiliates earn up to 150 CPA for every first-time buyer, or up to 1,000 per sale, which is a big deal. So Fiverr affiliate program is worth, of course, visiting and worth working with. It's very fantastic, and of course you're gonna earn much more with this platform by, of course, getting people to join this platform, or to buy, for example, to hire someone inside Fiverr, of course, to hire someone to get to, for example, people to hire others people in Fiverr to make for them, for example, a logo or a graphic design, a website, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the 7th affiliate program, guys, is the last one is MyLead. I know that many of you will be heard just only about this platform, but this platform is very extraordinary as well. It looks like Movidia, of course. They have the same strategy and the same, of course, like the way they are listing their offers and so on and so forth. So MyLead is, of course, an innovative platform for earning money online with over 4 years of internet experience. It is an affiliate network in which you will find all the necessary tools to earn money. MyLead, of course, is a company from Poland that has achieved, of course, so much in the local market that is also available to anyone in the world. They offer, of course, 1,000 affiliate programs in several models like CPE per action, CPC per sale, CPL per lead, and so on and so forth. So that is it, guys, for this video. I hope that you enjoy it very well. So before of course I end up, I will of course leave in my description all these platform links so you can get access to them immediately. So see you guys in the next video, and hope you good luck. Bye bye.